All right, let's talk about design. What if you could create absolutely stunning, professional-looking graphics without spending years in design school? Well, today we're going to dive into the AI tools that are making that a reality. And trust me, they're completely changing the game for everyone. And look, that's not just some catchy marketing slogan. It's the new reality. Thanks to some incredibly powerful AI, that world of professional-grade design is no longer locked away. It's accessible to pretty much anyone. You know that feeling, right? Staring at that bright white screen, the pressure's on to make something incredible from nothing. It can totally freeze you up. Well, that creative block, that feeling of being stuck, that's exactly what we're going to solve today. So what's the solution? Well, it's not about trying to learn some ridiculously complex software overnight. Nope. It's about tapping into the powerful AI assistants that are already built into the design tools you might even know, turning that scary blank page into a playground of possibilities. I want you to think of these AI features less like software and more like a creative partner. Seriously, they're ready to brainstorm with you, they'll automate the tedious stuff, and they'll turn your simple text ideas into actual, vibrant visuals. So, who are the main players in this whole creative revolution? Let's meet our two AI design assistants for today, Canva's Magic Studio and the AI plugins you can find in Figma. We're going to see what makes each one of them so powerful. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is you can see a clear difference in what they're for. Canva's AI, it's all about speed and getting it all done in one place. Perfect for things like social media posts or quick presentations. Figma's AI, though, that's a whole different beast. It's built for precision, for teamwork, and for making the complex work of professional UI designers way, way easier. Okay, talking about it is one thing, but let's actually see this AI magic happen. We are going to build a design from scratch, right here and now, so you can see just how ridiculously powerful this all is. So here's our goal. It's pretty simple. We need a cool-looking social media graphic for a new, modern coffee shop based in London. It's a perfect real-world test for our little AI assistant. And it really is this easy. You just start by describing what you want. You don't have to draw anything, just type it out. Then, poof, the AI spits out a bunch of cool options. You pick the one you like, drop it straight into a template, and then just tweak the words a little. I mean, the heavy lifting is completely done for you. And there you have it. This is the power we're talking about. Something that would have taken hours before, brainstorming, sketching, designing, is now done in the time it takes to make a cup of coffee. You get a high-quality, on-brand graphic pretty much ready to go. So you've got your AI-generated design. That's awesome. But how do you take it from just good to, oh wow, that's great? Let's go over a few essential tips to give your work that real professional shine. Okay, these right here are your keys to success. Instead of just saying, coffee logo, try something way more specific, like a minimalist logo for a London coffee shop with a steaming cup icon using earth tones. You see the difference? Also, use a brand kit. It keeps all your designs looking like they belong to the same family. And hey, if you don't love the first few ideas the AI gives you, just hit regenerate. And always, always give it a final look over to add your own personal flair. Oh, and real quick, that term brand kit, all that is a feature in tools like Canva where you basically upload your brand-specific colors, fonts, and logos just one time. After that, every single design you create will automatically use them. It's a massive time saver for keeping everything looking consistent. All right, as we start to wrap up, it's really important to look at the bigger picture here. This stuff isn't just about a new feature or a cool button. It's a fundamental change in the creative process itself. This is probably the most important thing to take away from all this. It's not about AI replacing people's creativity, it's about augmenting it. It's a partnership. This frees you up from all the tedious, boring parts of design so you can focus on the bigger picture, your strategy, your story, and the core idea you're trying to share. So, the barrier to entry for creating amazing things, it's been completely shattered. The tools are here, they're more powerful than ever, so the challenge is now passed on to you. What amazing idea are you going to bring to life first?